Hey guys, I am on with a haul, or a Destash haul from my good friend Tina, Crafty Bean, and I don't think I ordered the wood stamps that she sent me. She's just spoiling me. But I know I ordered this stuff, but seriously, the brain, you know. Anyway, so it had good, Jesus, Tim Holtz and Graphic 45 in there, so right up there. And these are, vellum scenes. Let me see here. So they look like, oh, that's kind of cool. Whole bunch of different ones in there. She posts on Tuesdays and Wednesdays and mails out on Thursday and gives you your tracking number. They're very reliable. Highly recommend. You got to get on there right away, though. And these are vellum scenes, but I think they're... nope, same ones. Okay. I love these. So I wanted to get more of these. These are these little strips, small talk. And just cute little sayings. Some black on white, and then white, I think, on black. Yeah. And they're easy to strip off, and to be honest, I'm just winging it. Life, motherhood, my eyeliner, everything. Oh, that's cute. How much better would life be if a liar's pants really did catch on fire? Oh, these are hilarious. I don't think I've had... Common sense is so rare these days, it should be classified as a superpower. I agree. I agree. That's a good one. So I don't know. Smarty and... Smarty... These are, Snarky, not Smarty. She's small, and this one's called just Small Talk. And this is the one I think I have. That's just more grounded, and some of them are used, which is fine. It was the happiest. I'm the happiest when I'm with you. Life was meant for a great adventure. Travel the world. So very cool. So I got some more of those to add to my hoard of Timmy. And then I got collage papers. And I have some of these, and I really like them. They're very easy to use. Look at this. It's brand new. I'm not taking it out for you. Sorry. But it comes in these. You guys are familiar. If you like Timmy, you know what I'm talking about. And then I think this is the one I already have. Gorgeous. And collage paper travel. Very nice. So got that in that lot. Then this is allandcreate.com. And same kind of idea. It's little strips of sayings. My windows aren't dirty. My dog is painting. Oh my God. Sorry to have met you. You play. Sorry to... What? That would be a bad one to send. But anyway, just cute little. I'm not lazy. I'm just in energy saving mode. That's me. I'm always in energy saving mode. And then just to add to my vault, great, these stickers. This one is from, I don't know which one it's from. Does it say? Does it matter? Doesn't matter. But it's bugging me. Oh, here we go. Banners Couture collection. That. And then these are Imagine Journal and Ephemera. Loving it. And this one is Floral Shop. And you get the cards. Wow. Such a deal, Miss Tina. So then I got these, and I believe I have most of this stuff, but you know, they don't, this is all retired stuff. Secret Garden, yes, I have that one. But look, this is my absolute favorite Graphic 45. Raining Cats and Dogs. I don't even have to look for the name. I just love the colors. Look at these. Oh, gosh, I just love it. And then there's this one. Cardstock die cuts. Floral Shop again. So I need to open the vault more often and pull something out from it, right? I do. Vault is about to collapse from the weight. Imagine collection. Look at the colors. I mean, they're gorgeous. And this folds into a pocket. Love it. This is the Mother Goose collection, another good one. And these are the thicker chipboard. Mother Goose collection chipboard. That's what it says. There you go. More chipboard. I mean, seriously. Do you guys have a thing about... What is it with graphic 45? It's just... Oh my gosh. But look at these colors. Oh, I just love the... Look at the kitty. This is Raining Cats and Dogs. No wonder I like it. Look at that. And then I got this one from Raining Cats and Dogs. I don't even have any cats or dogs, but I still love cats and dogs. I rent. I can't. I had them for all... I've never been without a pet my entire life until I got my divorce and moved to here. And it's okay. I have my kid's dog, Coco. She's so cute. German Shepherd. She's starting to mellow out a little bit. Thank God. Anyway, she's just down the street. So, botanical tea collection. But yeah. If you watch my journey videos, you know what I'm talking about. I left 2 labs and a cat that killed me to leave them. And none of them survived without me very long, sadly. Chipboard botanical tea collection. I mean, look at this. I got all of this for like 38 bucks. Tina, you are an amazing woman. Look at these. And this is from Floral Shop. Oh, is this more? Sorry, guys. Place and Time. Another gorgeous one. Oh, I remember this came out when she was showing it, too. These were not in plastic, which is fine. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I put that one there so I don't lose the pieces. And this one is Sweet Sentiments. Ooh, this is pretty, too. Look at this. Look at the purples. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Gorgeous. And last but not least of this stuff, By the Sea. That's another one of my favorites. I just love this one. I made a box when I was a few years back. So, with this. Okay, so that's what I know I paid for. I don't think I paid for all these wood stamps she shoved in there. She is such a sweetheart. Tina and I like to text back and forth. I've talked to her a few times. She lives close to our good friend Gail, Crafty Mim, who's doing okay. I mean, she's doing fine now, but just not up to doing videos quite yet. Okay, so look at this. Oh my gosh, and look at brand new Tina. Look at this one. That's so sweet. Oh, the babies. Mother Wolf. I think my kids would love, my granddaughters would love to color those in. And I've got a thing about giraffes lately. So she sent me 3 giraffes. What is this one? Embossing. J. Stately Giraffe, 1996. Then this giraffe, which is KT Designs. Look at that. Look at the eyelashes on that giraffe. That is so cool. And I think that's it for the giraffes. And you know, I have a thing about bees. I'm telling you. Cute. I don't know who this is by. Let's see. The Rubbernecker Stamp Company. Cute. These are all gently or not used at all. Amazing. Did I show this one? I think I showed this one. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Keep going, Kim. I'm in between. Drop Margaret off. Was with her while they prepped her. Now she's having the surgery. It's like 3 hours till I need to be back there. So I just hopped across. I'm close by the hospital, let's put it that way. So, the Artful Stamper. So I'll post this later in the week so that I keep my algorithm going. And oh, this is LDRS. Oh, look at that. That'd be fun to watercolor in. Look at that. Look at I love the rubber stamp. There's something about wood stamps. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It doesn't say... Oh, wait. Magenta. Okay. Oh, my gosh. There is a pond across the street from my kids down the street. Well, it's a retaining pond or whatever that is, but it has the most beautiful bird sounds. I could just stand there and listen. And then there's a toad, a frog, American toad. Robo. Imagine rubber works. So it's man-made, but it's turned out to be kind of a cool thing. Look at that. Poinsettia. Is this a piece PSX? Are you kidding me? She sent me a PSX. Yay! I love you, Tina. This is gorgeous. I think this is Recollections. Look. Now, maybe I ordered these. Because, I order so much crap. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Look at the polar bear. But I know she was recently at her Reuse It shop, too. Darcy's. Oh, my gosh. Cute. Oh, I don't think I showed this one. So I've got it in giraffes. I have a daughter-in-law that loves giraffes. Rubber Cottage 2006. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Couple more. Oh. Does this go with my bee? Does this stinger make my butt look bigger? Look big. Oh my God. Too funny. And I don't know what this is by. But good Christmas. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. And then a good background. This is really cool. Imagine that. Look at this. Imagine that. So Tina, let me know. Did you spoil me or did I order this? Because my little brain can't remember. Diddly do. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I will be back on. Got one more that I came home to. I was I knew I had a couple orders coming in, so I wanted to get them. And then I'll head back to see Margaret. So I'm sure she'll be fine. She was very nervous today, but who wouldn't be with all that's, surgery. So anyway, all right, guys, take care. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.